Today we are introducing the wireless Bluetooth 5.0 earbuds. The Boult Audio Tru5ive Earbuds. Here is the beautiful case with true wireless earphones. Faster Bluetooth auto connection. This earbuds comes with ear loops. Ear loops are flexible, you can flex as much as you want, but make sure you won't damage them. Boult gives you extra 3-pair, colorful, ear loops, and earplug caps. They are good looking, and they won't make earphones to drop. They are very comfortable to wear. This earbuds has good stereo bass sound, there is a condensed microphone, with noise cancellation. You gonna experience high quality of HD music. These earbuds are light in weight, you feel like you are wearing it or not. And this earbuds are IP7 water resistant and dust also, you can sweat, make gym workout by wearing them. You can give voice commands through earbuds for Google or Siri. Free hand calling, you can use single earbud by charging the other one, you can pair single earbud with your smartphone, and the other earbud to other smartphone, it is possible, you can pair 2 earbuds with 2 smartphones. Receiving the by single tap on the earbud, and double tap for rejection. Easy to use earbuds. And coming to battery life, the capacity of case is, you can charge the earbuds 3 times fully. The earbuds comes up to 6 to 7 hours in single fully charge. And the good thing about this earbuds is its ear loops. Because there are 3 variant colors. And the price of these earbuds is 2,899 rupees. What are you waiting for? If you want good quality of sound, good looking, go for these. If you got my video quite interesting, make sure to subscribe. And if you want the cheapest earbuds, click on the left side. If you don't want, click on the right side. But, clicking is very important.